Hello and welcome you all in my channel. So today we are gonna do the unboxing of this huge mystery box from 99 Books Cart, which I got at just 999, in which there are 15 books from different genres. So then basically each book costed me around 67 rupees each. This is really amazing, and if you will order from their website, then they will deliver you the parcel within mostly 7 to 10 days. Now let's look into the box. They have given these three beautiful bookmarks. There is also a thank you card in this box in which it is written happy reading. Before that, let's count whether there are 15 books or not. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and maybe one more book is under these books. The condition of the parcel was not that good when I received it, but let's see how is the quality of the books. This only matters. Okay, let's pick the first book. So the very first book is Lost Dogs and Lonely Hearts by Lucy Dillon. Next one is A Gingerbread Cafe Christmas by Rebecca Raisin. The condition of the book is also quite good, as you can see the pages. And the next one is by Colette Macbeth, An Act of Silence. And this one actually not at all look like a second-hand book. And the next one is The Red House by Mark Haddon. This looks almost new. And the next book is The Returning Tide by Liz Fenwick. Rumor Has It by Jill Marshall. Just look at the cover of this book. Oh my god, so beautiful. And I'm really very excited to read this one. Now let's pick the another book, that is The Templar Legion by Paul Christopher. After that, The Girl at the Lion Door by Sebastian Faulks. And the next book in the box is by Camilla Lagerberg, that is The Stranger Not Forgotten and Never Forgiven. And after that, another one is Before I Met You by Lisa Jewell. And I think I'm looking forward to read this one also. This seems amusing. And now this book, The Red Rabbit, is written by Tom Clancy. This book is quite small and thick. And the next book is The Pride by Judith Saxton. And the next book is by Nelson Damel, and the title of the book is Spencerville. And the second last book is Child of the Phoenix by Barbara Erskine. And this one is also quite thick, and the fonts are also small, so it's gonna take a lot of time to complete this one. And here comes the very last book, that is The Bloody Chamber. So these were all the books that I received in this mystery box. Thanks for watching.